Hi, my name is Mike, and welcome to Homeschool Chronicles. I would like to welcome you to the channel, and we're all going to be talking about all topics related to homeschooling, and different books that we found, and homeschool curriculums that we tried, and just everything to do with homeschooling. Maybe some issues that we've seen in the news, and topics related to homeschooling. So welcome to the channel, and just let us know down below what kind of thing you would be looking for from a channel, and we'll try and answer those questions or make a video about it. Or there's going to be I'm probably going to do some tutorial videos on different topics, and even like tech tutorials. And we're going to have book reviews and different curriculum reviews and stuff like that. Curriculum things that we've tried, like different websites and other channels that we've tried. So, that's what we want to do. And it's not just me, it's my wife June. And we have a 12-year-old daughter who's just started homeschooling in last November, since November 15th. So she's only been homeschooling for about 4 months or so since then, and so we're using the Robinson curriculum. So, and also one of the reasons why we wanted to do this channel is because we don't see a lot of people talking about the Robinson curriculum online. There's not that much information about people who are using it. There's like one main YouTuber that's doing it in Our House. She's a good channel. The Our House channel is good, so check her out. And then there's a Robinson Curriculum Facebook group. But other than that, so there's room for more people to talk about the Robinson Curriculum. I think it's apparently the number 3 homeschool curriculum that there is that people use. So behind Abeka and Bob Jones University. So that's it. So that's basically the vision for the channel, and maybe in the future we can do live streams, and you can do just about anything you can think of. Yeah, so another reason is we're from Canada. We're in Toronto, Canada, and most of the channels that are covering Robinson curriculum, everyone's in the States, right? So we want to give you more of there's a Canadian perspective here. That's why we're going to review some Canadian books and Canadian things you can add to your Robinson curriculum if you're from Canada, because I know there's Canadians out there that are either using the Robinson curriculum or thinking about using it, and we want to be able to give them some things that we found to add to the curriculum, because the Robinson curriculum is very flexible. You can add things to it, you can make substitutions to it, as you see fit. It's a self-study curriculum, so you can customize it as much as you want. So we've added some Canadian things to our curriculum, so that's a good reason to have this channel as well. So